Hello guys, my name is Cristiano Pisa and today I'm riding my bike and I'm testing my new microphone and my new camera and my helmet. My camera is SJ7 Star and my microphone is a microphone kind of handmade here in Brazil by a company named Duracell. And I already made a test on the streets nearby my home and the result was good. The sound of the microphone was great. Now I'm testing the microphone in a highway with a lot of wind, a lot of vehicles, with a lot of noise, and I'm curious to see the result of the test. So I'm going to a place where there are some dirt roads to test my camera stability in dirt roads. Yes, this is the idea today as well. And I hope that everything is going well. I don't want to drop my bike, I don't want to fall off the bike and something like that. I have been in this place before sometimes. I have dropped the bike in that place sometimes, my old bike, and it was a cruiser, not the kind of bike that it's best bike to go to that place. But I already dropped this bike one time in that place as well. But it was in the beginning. Now I am more confident because I have improved. I have trained, I have practiced off-road. I made an off-road course. I ride in dirt roads recently to practice my riding skills in dirt roads. And I changed the tires of my motorcycle. After this change, I went to this place that I'm going today, and I didn't drop the bike in the second time that I went there with this bike, just in the first time. So today will be the third time that I go to this place. This place name is Morro do Capuava in I can say in English Capuava Mountain or Capuava Hills, something like that. Yes, and it's a nice view from the top of this place. The dirt road to get there is a little bit complicated because it's high. The problem is to come back. To go down the hill. I'm curious about the stability of my new camera because I bought this new camera because of the stability. Because the gyroscope sensor, I think that way that should be pronounced, gyroscope. Gyro sensor is the name of the feature. So I'm speaking a lot because I want to test the camera. There are wind, there are noise of the bike, there are noise of the trucks, the cars. It's a good situation to test the microphone of the bike. The microphone in my helmet. Now the things are getting better because I am leaving the city and going to the countryside. The surroundings of the highway is just nature most. a lot of curves and up and down the hills. There's a truck in front of me. I'm not hurry to pass this truck. You are safe passage. Oh, I'm the result. This Google, this glass is amazing. I'm happy with the results. It's so clear and it's like a mirror. It's so cool and it's good. I'm happy with that. I should have bought this before. So this highway, this road, the name of this road is Road of Tomatoes. I don't know how to say tomatoes in English, but tomatoes is kind of people that explore the area to expand the land and discover things and things like that. And yes, it's a famous road here in the area because it's beautiful, a lot of curves as you can see in the video. And yes, this is it. On the weekends, mainly on Sunday, a lot of motorcyclists ride in this road. There is a part of this road that is considered a park road. It's kind of a tourist road. Let's say it that way, a tourist road. It's beautiful there. It's beautiful because the roads go by the side of a river. The river is polluted, but unfortunately, but it's beautiful. The place is beautiful. Now I can pass this truck. Ooh, my God. I need to pay attention because there are some dangerous situations here. My jacket is a summer jacket, so we are in the winter here in Brazil. Of course, the winter here in Brazil is not so hard, but I feel the wind, the cold wind in my body. Today is not so hot day. You can see a lot of guys on the bikes. It's nice. A group of bikers, not bikers, but bikers. So it's nice to make a motovlog in English. I think I'm doing well with my English. I hope the microphone in the video do the same. Now it's filming. Okay guys, now I have two cameras filming, recording me on my bike. One camera on my helmet and another camera in front of me. It's nice. Different position, different way. Fortunately, the second camera don't have stability control, but she's the bike. I hope that worked pretty well. Let's do that. Let's test that. So I am almost there, I think. No, not almost. Yeah, almost there. So guys, I just got here and let's do that. Okay. Beleza? Uhul! Aí não falei nada na descida porque sabe como é, né? A gente fica bem preocupado em cair, até esqueci de falar qualquer coisa, mas foi tranquilo. E a área de pouso da galera do voo livre. Vamos lá. What they are doing there, but okay. This is not my business what that people are doing there. Maybe they are gonna take a sunbathe. Looks like something like that. I don't know. Woohoo! Oh no, my camera. Oh. Oof. Whew. Was great, guys. I'm a little bit proud of myself.